I wanted to leave a quick review about the pop-on veneers I recently purchased. Um, just a little about me. I'm 61 years old, and I have never been happy with my smile, at least as far back as I can remember. And I finally decided to do something about it, and that was mainly because I became a grandma. I've got a couple of grandkids, and looking back at the photos that I take with them, they've got these great big smiles, and I just have the boring Nana smile that I don't want them to remember me by. So I thought I would have a smile that I was proud for them to see for the years to come. So when I saw the Facebook ad, I followed the link through to their website and looked at the photos and the reviews, which all looked wonderful, and the price was very reasonable. So I ordered the mature tan, which seemed appropriate for me, and they showed up, or the molds showed up in a couple of days, 2 or 3 days, and it was fairly simple to complete the molds. I had actually watched the video a few times before they showed up, so I could have the process down before I even got the package. And just a fairly simple process. Just follow the instructions to the letter and you'll be fine. So I returned them in the box that they came in with the enclosed label. And a few days later, I got the email from Pop On Veneers saying, "You did a great job," which made me really happy. And a couple weeks later, they showed up. I was very excited. Um, I opened the box and the container that came in, and I popped them right in. They do indeed just pop right in. And here they are. Um, they might look a little crooked or uneven, but that's just my wonky lip. That's not the veneers. Um, I'll show you how they come out and go back in, just like that. And my teeth, yuck. And just like that. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you, Pop On Veneers.